Okay, here we go. Hello and welcome to the Humble Penny Show. What's your name and where are you calling from?
My name's Charlene and I'm calling from London.
Hey Charlene, how can I help you today?
So I'm currently in 21k debt, but I've got £1,000 that my friends are telling me to jump onto crypto and that I could potentially make 100k on my 1k if I invest in crypto. So I wanted to know what your thoughts are. Is it a good idea or not?
Okay, so the very first thing I'd say is it's a bit crazy that your friends are actually recommending that you put your all of the £1,000 you've got, the only money you've got, into crypto with the hope of making a ridiculous £100,000. Now, don't get me wrong, some people make money from crypto, but most people actually lose their money. So what I would say before even going into what I would do in your shoes, I wanted to ask you, have you ever invested money before?
No, so I've never invested before. This is the first time I'm getting into it and it's all very new to me, very new to me.
Okay, so in that sense, if you've never invested before, don't go anywhere near crypto. Think of it
Oh,
this way. Crypto is at the other extreme end of possible options for things you may want to consider. And it's not a traditional investment. It's completely out there. Think of it as a way of speculating with your money. Now, things can go up and things can go down as well. How would you feel if you actually lost your £1,000 if you put it into a crypto investment?
obviously I'll be devastated. That would just ruin me.
Yeah, that would be awful. And beyond that, it will actually put you off potentially investing your money properly. So what I'd say if I was in your shoes, I can't give you specific financial advice, but if I was in your shoes, what I would do is not go anywhere near crypto for starters, but I would look first at sorting out the debt problem. So you currently have 21k in debt. How much are you earning every year?
So I earn 25k per annum.
Wow, 25k a year in income,
hmm
21k in debt. What's that debt made up of? What kind of debt is it?
So um, credit cards, debt. Recently bought a car, so I needed a loan for that,
hmm
and yeah, just lifestyle.
hmm Okay, so and what kind of do you budget each month at all or not?
So I did budget for a bit, and then I just stopped because the budget wasn't working for me in it.
Okay, and when you did budget, what kind of stuff do you typically incur with your expenses each month? What kind of expenses have you got?
So obviously my rent, food, phone bill,
hmm
car insurance, petrol, and then my hair, nails.
hmm
I've got a gym subscription, and yeah, I like to go out with my friends, and we at least go on one holiday a year.
Wow. Okay. So look, this sounds to me like there's a very clear pathway towards potentially sorting out your finances. So it's very clear that a lot of kind of where you're at the moment, and without judgment, I'm going to be real with you. A lot of it is down to certain lifestyle choices that you are currently making. So if I was in your shoes personally, I wouldn't even think about investing my money just yet because if you got car loans, you recently bought that car. I don't know if you've had a car before, and you've got credit card debt. My focus would be on trying to get rid of that credit card debt ASAP, because that will be costing you a lot. So that £1,000 you've got, firstly, well done for having £1,000. It shows that you are able to have some savings each month. But I think your lifestyle needs a complete turnaround. You need to really reassess it. And I know it's hard because things are very expensive, generally speaking. But you mentioned certain things in there that kind of speaks to there's certain cutbacks you could have. Now I get it. You may need to get your nails done and what have you. But you could pause quite a lot of those expenses for a season just to kind of get yourself to build a bit more of a buffer. Like going on a holiday with friends per year. If you're in 21k debt, I wouldn't even be going anywhere near holidays.
Mm. Wow.
And I know it's painful to accept that, because you want to enjoy life and You want to, you want to do what your friends are doing. But if you're in 21K debt, that wouldn't be what I would be doing at all. I'd be sitting down and looking over the last 3 months to see what's going on with my expenses. Where is all my money going every single month? What am I spending on? And really focus on, could I try to maybe spend most of my money, on the things that really matter, the essentials, and maybe, cut back a bit on the non-essentials, such that you're able to potentially save up about 10 to 15% of your net income every single month. Do you think that's something you could potentially do, maybe?
I mean, yes, I can give it my best shot.
Well, look, stay in touch with us, keep us posted on how you're doing. It'd be good to kind of get an update on where you're at with this situation. But your problem definitely sounds like it's something that's solvable. It just requires a few reality checks, if I'm being honest, like literally looking at the current state of your finances and not digging a bigger hole, because that tends to be, what people tend to do is not knowing where to stop digging that hole. But that has to be the very first step when it comes to getting out of debt, is actually stopping the hole that you've kind of dug so far and then working a way out of there from that stage. And then when it comes to investing, I wouldn't even think too much about that just yet. Focus your efforts on trying to keep more of your money every single month and go head on with that debt to try and get yourself out of debt. And then gradually you can watch some of our videos on YouTube and so on, or head over to our website at humblepenny.com and read some of our blog posts. You can gradually start to learn how to get into investing, but I wouldn't jump anywhere near crypto or anything of that nature just yet.
Wow. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. It's been really useful. So yeah, safe. Thank you so much.
All right. No worries. Stay in touch and we'll speak soon.
I will do. Take care.
Take care. Bye.